Okay? And then your normal force, which is perpendicular dun sa surface, this is your NA, this is your NB. Okay. May question pa so far? So, ilan yung nawawala? Ilan yung hinahanap sa problem? Si theta lang yung hinahanap sa problem. Pero ilan yung unknowns dyan? 6. Wala kang W, hindi mo alam yung weight nung object natin or nung ladder. Hindi mo alam si NA sa si FA. Hindi mo alam si NB sa si FB. Hindi mo rin alam si theta, which is yung pinakahinahanap dun sa problem. Okay? So that's 6 unknowns. So how do we solve this type of problem? Okay, so yung 6 gawin nating 4. So si FA equal siya kay mu N or mu NA. Si NB equal siya sa, I mean si FB, hindi siya si NB. Okay, this is equal to mu NB. Okay, or kung kukuhanin natin si mu, it is equal to tangent of phi or tangent of 20 degrees. So what's your mu? This 0.4 decimal places. What's tangent of 20? Tagal pumindot ng calcu.
363. 3639, sir. Ay, 3640.
3640. Okay, so lalagay ko naman sa problem kung ano yung required ko, kung 4 decimal places or 3 decimal places. So kung 4 decimal places yan, 0 yan. No, so your FB is 0.364 NB and your NA is 0.364 NA. So pares lang silang mu kasi lahat naman daw nung contact surfaces yung angle of friction niya is 20 degrees. Okay, so ilan na lang yung unknowns? 4 na lang. So 4 pa din. Ilang equations yung pwede nating gamitin? Sige nga. So we can use the 3 equations of equilibrium. So summation moment is equal to 0, summation fx is equal to 0, and summation fy is equal to 0. Okay. So let's see kung tama yung drawing natin. Okay, tama naman, no? So except for the 2.4. Okay. So apply natin tong tatlo para ma-solve natin yung problem. Although 4 yung nawawala dyan, kaya naman nating sagutin yan. No? So let's see paano. Okay, so unahin ko si moment. So summation moment at A is equal to 0. So may eliminate natin yung dalawang unknowns. Nawawala, ay isa lang pala may eliminate natin, si NA lang. No? So nandyan pa rin si NB, si W, saka si theta. So paano mapupunta si theta doon? Okay, let's see. So W, eto si W, eto si point A kung saan tayo nagmo-moment. Vertical force, ang distance natin is horizontal distance. So where is the horizontal distance? So ito yung distance na yan. So what's that distance? Anyone?
2.4, sir.
2.4. Paano mo nasabi?
Yung hinati yung sa ladder, sir. Yung length ng ladder po.
Hinate. Eto si 2.4. Ibig sabihin ba ng 2.4 din to? Kung 45 degree, hindi rin, di ba? Ano siya? Equilateral ba siya? Kaya pwede siyang maging 2.4. Hindi, di ba? So how do we know kung ano yung value ni x? Sige nga. This is your x. This is your theta, which is still unknown. This is 2.4. So how do we solve for x? What's cosine of theta? It is equal to, what is cosine? Nakalimutan na yung cosine. It is adjacent over the hypotenuse. So solving for x, it is 2.4 cosine of theta. So your x is 2.4 cosine of theta. Okay? May question ba regarding that? Nagets nyo?
Yes po.
Okay. So that's 2.4 cosine of theta. Okay? So after that, si FB naman yung kuhanin natin. So this is negative 0.364 FB or NB. NB na siya, no? Times the distance. What's the distance? Hello? So kung 2.4 cosine of theta to, ito din 2.4 cosine of theta. So it is 4.8 cosine of theta. Gets? So parang ganito lang yan. Kinuha mo yung 4.8. Ito si theta. Tapos kinuha mo si x1. Or yung malaking x. No? So solving for x1, it is 4.8 cosine of theta. Nasusundan ba?
Opo.
Sabihin nyo lang pag may question kayo, no? Para magbalikan natin. Sunod natin si NB. Ano naman distance ni NB? So kung y yung hinahanap natin, which is this y, yung length na to. So that's y is equal to 4.8 sine of theta. Okay? Is equal to 0. So ilan unknown? Tatlo. Nawawala si theta, nawawala si NB, nawawala si W. Okay? So anong possible na solution natin dyan? So kung makukuha natin yung value ni W in terms of NB, magiging dalawa na lang yung unknown. And then magiging isa na lang yung unknown nun kung ika-cancel natin si NB, which is present naman siya sa tatlong terms ng equation natin. And then naka-equate siya sa 0. So we can cancel NB kung may express natin si W in terms of NB. Okay? So paano natin magagawa yon? So gamitin natin si summation fx saka si summation fy. So fx muna tayo. Okay? So summation fx is equal to 0. We can say that your fa, which is 0.364, na is equal to nb. Okay? Tama ba? Etong force na to, saka etong force na to, equal lang silang dalawa. And then solving for NB, this is 0. This is 1. Teka lang, baliktad pala. Si NA pala yung solve ko. So if we solve NA in terms of NB, it is NB over 0.364. So may 1 to dito. So what's 1 over 0.364? That's 2.7473. Okay? Nasusundan pa? So, bakit natin gagawin yan? Kasi kakailanganin natin yan kay summation Fy. Bakit? What's your summation Fy? So, your summation Fy is Na plus Fb, which is 0.364 Nb, and then minus W is equal to 0. So if we solve for W, it is equal to NA plus 0.364 NB. But what's your NA? Your NA is 2.7473 NB. So pag sinubstitute ko yan dito, this is 2.7473 NB plus 0.364 NB. So with that, we can express W in terms of NB, which is, so what's 2.7473 plus 0.364? So this is 3.1113 NB. Okay? So si W ngayon, pwede ko nang palitan ng 3.113 NB. And then with that, dalawa na lang yung unknown, but we can say that NB can be canceled out. So makita natin no, bakit siya makakancel. So this is NB times 3.1113 times 2.4 cosine of theta minus 0.364 NB times 4.8 cosine of theta and then minus NB times 4.8 sine of theta is equal to 0. So pag dinivide ko both sides by NB, ano mangyayari? Magka-cancel out si NB. Tama? Mali?
Tama po.
Okay. So that's correct, no? So pwede mong cancel yung isang terms basta common siya sa lahat ng terms tapos naka-equate ka sa 0. Okay? So with that, ilan na lang yung unknowns natin? Isa na lang. Okay? So you can use shift solve or you can use yung long method natin. So what's your long method? So this is your long method. So 3.1113 times 2.4 cosine of theta. So hiwalay ko no, pag hiwa-hiwalayin ko. No, parehas pa rin naman siya, di ba? Minus 0.364 times 0.8. I mean 4.8 not 0.8 times cosine of theta is equal to 4.8 sine of theta. So i-divide ko both sides by 4.8 cosine of theta. Okay? So cancel si 4.8. So matitira dito is tangent of theta. Tama? Sine over cosine. Tangent, di ba? And then maka-cancel si cosine of theta, pati si cosine of theta. So ang matitira is 3.1113 times 2.4 minus 0.364 times 4.8 divided by 4.8. So what's your tangent of theta? So tangent of theta is equal to 3.113 times 2.4 minus 0.364 times 4.8 divided by or all over 4.8. So that's 1.1917. Okay, so shift tangent, your answer. So that's your 49.997 or 998. So this is almost equivalent to 50. And that's your answer. Okay? So medyo mahaba ng konti, no? Pag binigay sa board exam yan, kaya ng sagutan? Tanong, yes or no? So medyo komplikado. No? So, medyo komplikado yung problem. Okay, so imagine, papasagutan sa amin yan within 3 minutes yata or 4 minutes. Kaya ba sagutan yan? Kung pinapahanap yung theta.
Hindi po.
3 minutes, no? Parang sasagutan ng 3 minutes yan. Di ba? Or you can use shape solve. Pwede mong gamitin si shape solve. Meron na yata akong value ng x dito eh. Wala. So, this is 3.1113 times 2.4 cosine of x. Since x yung unknown natin, no? Minus 0.364 times 4.8 cosine of x. And then minus 4.8 sine of x is equal to 0. So shift solve, that's your x, 49.998. So that's also equal to 50 degrees. Okay? So that's your problem number 4. Ano, may question pa before we end the discussion? So supposed to be you will be having your quiz number 1 sa finals on Tuesday. No? So tingnan ko kung gabi ko na lang siya papasagutan. Kaya nyo ba pag gabi? Yes or no? Gabi ng Tuesday para sabay-sabay kayo lahat. Lahat ng section ko, 4 yun. Kaya? Okay. Mukhang hindi. Ayaw nyo magsalita para alam ko yung sa loobin nyo. Hindi naman ako magagalit. Kaya ba? Hindi. Sige lang.
Yes
Hindi naman magbabago yung grades nyo kahit sabihin nyo hindi kaya. Kaya ba? O hindi?
Kahit
Kaya po.
Kaya ng gabi. So, hintayin ko yung sagot ng ibang section na. Di ba kasi sila sumasagot eh. So, magpapapoll na lang ako kung sa Tuesday or sa December 13. Baka kasi pag nag-December 13 yan, limot nyo na yan. Pati method of members. Pero may ano naman tayo, may problem set tayo sa method of members eh. So, di nyo makakalimutan yan. Okay, so ito yung correction. Nandito pa ba? Wala na pala. So, attendance muna tayo. Nakita pa yung screen.
Opo, sir.
Naglag. So, -3. Yung mga sasali ba sa event dito? So, next week?
May plus yun, sir. May plus po.
Depende. No. So, tingnan natin kung magkaka-plus.